Stella, look what I found for you. Stella, look what I found. Look what else I found for you. There's another one over here now. Where's it go? Switching on the last one. Ow. You're watching Jeopardy, eating puffs, chilling out. Did Daddy drop one? Look, hey. Daddy dropped one. He found it for you, though. His fingers look terrible. Ow. Get some teeth in there, too, did we? We get some teeth in that little video? Okay. Let's put 2 on the tray. Spread apart. Okay, Stella. No problem. Old hat at this. Daddy, I've been eating for weeks now. Up to 2 weeks. I just kind of, I get kind of snacky when I'm watching my Trebek. When I'm watching my stories, Daddy. Look at that. Kerpow. All right. Let's. Look at this. Look what I got for you. Oh, you're knocking down. Look what I got for you. Good work.
Emoting as Dr. Mark Toland on One Life to Live. Lydia.
Who's Tommy Lee Jones? 800 TV.
In the 1960s,
Not bad.